Hey there, it's Ashley here from Mad Lemmings to give you a quick tutorial on how to install WordPress plugins. What you should first do is log into your WordPress dashboard, which I've done here already. So you'll see something similar with some information updates shown in the middle and your navigation bar on the left hand side. And what you're aiming for is the plugin section, which is down here. And you can either go straight for the add new or you can click on plugins. I'll click on plugins to show you the indirect route. And then you get a list of plugins when you've clicked on the main plugins link. And then you can go to add new up the top here, or again on the left hand side there's an add new option. Doesn't matter which one you click, you'll end up in the same place. So this is your general install or add new plugins page. And you can look for plugins here through the search bar, which is shown here with the white box in the middle. Or you can upload plugins which you've already gotten somewhere else as a zip file. They need to be a plugin zip file which has a specific format in WordPress, and if you've downloaded that from an external site like Code Canyon or even from WordPress itself and done a download into your download directory on your browser, you're looking for that zip file. So you can either install from the search or upload the zip file, and what we're going to do here is just install from a search directly. So what I've looked for here in the search is a social sharing plugin called Shareaholic, and it's come up as the first result because it's actually quite a unique name. And you can see underneath the main title here is the Install Now button, and that's what you want to click. And then it'll give you a warning here, and then you click OK, and then it'll go ahead and upload those files to your site and install them. Now that's only the first step. Once you've installed them, whether it's from the search or the zip upload, the second step you need to do is to activate the plugin. And that makes it live, and the code that you've now uploaded to your site becomes integrated in your WordPress and used on your site. So of course you only do that if you really intend on using it. And then at the top here it'll show you that that's been successful. There hasn't been any errors or anything. Hopefully, if there has, you might need to deactivate it again and contact the plugin support. And if you look down further here, you see the Shareaholic, and if you've had problems you can click on the deactivate link here, and that keeps the code on your site but removes it from participating in your site, so to speak, so that it's no longer being used. So that's one way you can have plugins on your site and sort of semi-remove them from active service, so to speak. Now different plugins are activated in different ways. Some of them will give you new menus on the left hand side. For example, here Shareaholic has a Shareaholic specific menu, and above it you'll see some other plugins that I have installed, but not all of them have that. Some plugins will be installed under settings, and then they'll have a sub menu under settings here, and other plugins will appear in different parts of your page depending on what they do. So you need to have a look at the plugin details and the FAQs and the screenshots that come on the WordPress site or wherever you've bought the plugin to see where you need to go next to configure the plugin, activate the plugin, use the plugin. It could be that it appears in a section below the post. It could be something that's doing a backup, so it has nothing to do with posts or pages. There's many different possibilities. Plugins are infinite, so I can't tell you what that'll be. But if we quickly go back to the upload option, which was the second option of installing plugins, and show you what that looks like, it's pretty much exactly the same, except you click on upload and then you just choose the file that you're looking for, and then you want to look for the file in whatever directory where you installed it. And it's a zip file here down the bottom. That's a pre-configured plugin from Lead Pages. I downloaded it from their site. That's what it does is irrelevant, but you basically target that zip with your mouse, click open, and then it'll install it, and then you have to activate it again just like we did before. So they're the two main methods of installing plugins, where to go to do that, what it looks like once you've done that, how to activate and deactivate them, and then the rest is up to the plugin itself. And I'll certainly make many tutorials on the main ones that I've used, and you can look for those on my YouTube channel or on my website madlemmings.com. So I hope to see you there. Hope you've enjoyed this, and see you in the next video.